Good morning guys, this is Imtiaz Arman and
Good morning guys, this is Naimul Kasif.
welcome to our channel. This is our very first vlog, so we'll try to cover all this place today. We are traveling to Botanical Garden.
We are going with this gang and we are 12 people maybe.
We started our journey early in the morning. After having our breakfast, we heading towards the park in a laguna.
Guys, as you can see, we arrived into the park and heading towards the waterfall.
It's a place that gives you wild vibes with natural surroundings, big mountains and a waterfall. And yeah guys, we are ready for hiking the mountains. We have to climb all the way to the waterfall. We are almost sweating right now because it is so high.
Okay, it's not that high. First of all, it's not that high. You are tired because you are not used.
Yes.
But I think Shukadhara is like more of okay, much of tiredness or walking. Shukadhara is worth it, I think.
Yeah, inshallah.
After 30 minutes of hiking, we are halfway done. It's time to have a short break. And again we are going through some stairs. It seems easy but kinda risky. With just a simple wrong footstep, you will fall all the way down. Now we are almost arrived. As you can see, water coming from the waterfall. Finally, the moment of the truth, the beauty. It's time to show you the B-roll. Really, we are having a lot of fun here. After heading back to the waterfall, we are taking bath in a local pond. It's too late. We are having our lunch in a nearby restaurant. Guys, in the conclusion, we had planned to show you another beautiful place, But bad luck, the rainy weather ruined everything.